Hey everyone, I'm Anthony and today I'm going to teach you about win-back emails to help wake up your inactive subscribers in your email list. So win-back emails, as its name implies, basically you want to wake up your inactive subscribers. They haven't responded to your emails in 5 to 10 emails, or maybe they haven't been active in the last 90 days, or maybe you just need to clean up your list. Now, as its name implies, a win-back email is you want to win back your customers to be engaged again. Now, there's two reasons why you should have this. One is to wake up your active or inactive subscribers so that they'll be like, okay, you get a chance to get more sales from these people. The second thing that you want to do is you want to help clean out the list for the people who aren't responsive. Because what happens is when these people aren't responsive, it brings down your email deliverability score. And what that does is, instead of sending out, let's say you send out 100 emails and only 10 respond, according to Gmail's eyes, it's going to look like spam. And what's going to happen then is that instead of sending out 100 emails, it's probably only going to send out like 78 to those 100 people, and only a targeted portion of people who actually respond to your email get even less emails. Now, before you send out your win-back email series, you want to segment your most important customers first. So your most important customers are people that have been frequently buying from you, they have recently purchased, or they have a huge order value from you. And what you do is, once you figure out who your important customers are, you want to figure out why they unsubscribe or why they're inactive if you can. If you can't, it hurts a little bit, but it's not the end of the world. So basically what you want to do is, one, you want to find out why your subscribers are inactive. Two, you want to make your message clear. And three, you want to send out an email. So there's really three types of win-back emails that you can send out. I like to send 2 to 3 for my clients, but it really depends on your type of business. Now, the first type of email that I like to send out is called the reminder email. Basically, it just reminds them like, hey, are you still interested in us? We noticed that you haven't been active with us lately. We just want to ask if there's any questions or if you need any help. And basically what you want to do is, I don't really like to use fancy JPEG or fancy GIFs. I just like to use plain old personalized text-based emails because it looks like you received it from a friend and they're much more likely to read it and respond if they see that. The second type of win-back email that I send out is something like a discount or like a coupon or something like, hey, we noticed you've been inactive lately, so if you're an ice cream store, you'd be like, hey, we can offer you a free ice cream cone if you show us this email or show us this coupon right here. Or maybe you are a restaurant and be like, hey, we got you a 20% discount. We just noticed that you weren't gone. Are you feeling well? Or something like that. The third email is basically like the last ditch effort or like saying goodbye to a friend. And what I like to do is basically it's like the reminder email, like, hey, we noticed that you weren't inactive with us, so we took the time to take you out from the list. If you're still interested, you can still subscribe with this button below. And basically what happens is your two goals is to either wake them up or clean out your list. And this thing is, if they don't wake up, then you just clean them off your list and then you just improve your emailing list. I know this is a short video, but I hope that you found something useful by crafting a win-back email series. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave us a comment below. Alright, see ya.